You know we about to come up on a few gems up in here, about to find if we can see a few blazers, if we can get the matching pants to it. You know, that's good. If we can't, we're gonna pair it with something that we already got. You see it's turtleneck season out here. Apologize for the terrible lighting. You know, it's weather is terrible right now in Louisiana. Let's head in, let's see what we can find. What y'all think? Ooh, that maroon is gonna play very well. It's big, but hey, we like the colors. Oh yeah, I think we got a winner, guys. I think we got one winner. We got another one. Let's try that one on too. Oh, this will play fabulous off a navy turtleneck. As you can see, does not fit very well, but the patterns in this jacket. Ooh. Let's see if we can find some pants to match both of these blazers. I'm probably not gonna even feel like trying them on. I'm just gonna worry about if they fit around the waist decently. If they do, we just gonna grab them, we gonna head out. Let's see how much we pay for everything. Oh yeah, we got both of those blazers and picked up some matching pants to go with both of them. You know, I can't complain when you can walk out of this thing with really 2 outfits and only spend right at under 29 bucks. Okay, I did not lose my receipt this time. I know, man, I had people on me last time. I did not lose my receipt this time. I'll go ahead and post that right here. I did not lose it. We only spent 29 bucks. Yo, a lot of these stuff, it needs some traumatic work. Let's get to the house. Let's see everything that I'm gonna have to do to it, and then we're gonna go from there. I absolutely love this blazer. I love the colors. I love how they play off one another, but I'm not in love with the fit, as you normally know that you're going to find out of the Goodwill. This blazer has a center vent, so that means I'm going to have to tailor it on both sides to give it the sleek look that I like. And then I move down to these beautiful maroon / burgundy, whichever you choose to call it, pants. We're gonna have to taper these toward the bottom, and then we get into this blue Ralph Lauren. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is a Ralph Lauren blazer, and this blazer, I'm just in absolute love with it, but I'm not in love with the way it fits. So we're also gonna have to tailor this one on both sides as well. But then you just scroll down to these navy blue pants. They're also going to have to get tailored exactly like the maroon pants. So the tailoring is, you got it, it's absolutely done. I have finished doing everything I need to be doing to both of these outfits. I went for a different type of element for the after looks. Let me know in the comment section if you like this type of cinematic look. Again, I tried something different for you guys. I wanted to do something different for 2019 as far as putting out content. I have so much more content lined up for each and every last one of you. The more we subscribe, guys, I promise you, the more content I'm gonna put out, the more value that I'm gonna be adding to you. So if you have not subscribed yet, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it right now. And if you're not following your boy on the social media platform, as far as Instagram, follow me on Instagram. That link is in the comment, is in the bio. That link is right down there. That link is down there. Hit that link, man, at What My Teacher Wears is the Instagram handle. Again, let me know if this type of after look was something that you enjoy looking at it with the whole cinematic element, man. Enough of me talking. Take a look at it.